Well, today we're going to take the PS5 and we're going to put it on the wall. We picked up the wall-mounted storage charging case for PS5. It'll fit your Slim, it'll fit your Pro, and it'll fit the regular stuff too. That's cool. Got a nice little charging stand underneath to put your controllers on and charge them. So, okay, cool. So let's start with it here. And to start with it, we need this bit black thing, alright? Now we did check these anchors, and I think we get about 3/16 centimeters long. We're going to want it right in here, okay? But I mean, this has got to sit on top. So, we get tight here. We're going to set this wire right in there. We got a little mark on the wall. That's where we're going to put it. Alright, so with that mark, we're just going to go ahead and line this back up here. Put that right along that mark. We're going to get the little level they sent with it. We're going to put it right on here. We're going to check for level. And then we're going to adjust it for level. Okay? Alright, bulb's in the middle there. Right in the middle of it. So it's level, at least according to that thing. Let's get us underneath here. I'm going to mark our holes. Going to go in here. Go ahead and put our first hole in. Not all the way, just barely moving it in. Put the next one. Put the next one. Put the next one, okay. But why'd I mark it? If I was just going to drill through there. Well, because I wanted to. That way, if I had to put it down for some reason, I'd have an idea of where I was going. So, now we're just going to drill our holes in here. And let's check our anchors to make sure they're going to fit. They're probably going to be way too tight. Oh, not tight, not very tight at all. Nice. Okay, we got it. We got it. Let me get a hammer. Okay. So we got a screwdriver, and we're just going to tap on that until it gets in there. And we can take this screwdriver and we can push the rest of the way on those. Alright, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Now in your pack you got 4 screws and a thumb screw. So the thumb screw is completely different than the 4 screws. Now, we don't have to start that immediately. Let's go ahead and start these screws in here. I'm not going to put them all the way in. I'm just going to start tacking them in a little bit here. Make sure we get a good bite. A little bit of an angle. Okay. Alright, awesome, those are started. Now we can put our little stand right on there. Slide it down. Just going to tighten those down. Now we're just going to take our PS5. Right up on there. And is it It makes it sound like there should be a hole at the bottom of the PlayStation, but I don't see one. You definitely want that wire here in the front though. Alright. We're just going to take this guy, little slots here, little slots here, right? Slide those right on. Bada bing, bada boom. Nice and easy. Alright, so now it says to take your USB here, put it right into here. It is saying there should be a hole in the bottom of the PlayStation to attach that thumb screw to. But the only thing I see at the bottom is this knockout or punch out that may or may not have a threading inside. So I'm not going to punch that out without knowing. We'll do some research on that maybe. See if that's what we're going to use the adapter from the PlayStation to get that connected. That way she all lights up and everything should be good now. I wonder what this is for then. That didn't work. Oh, is that to charge? That's to charge a controller. So you can do a third one, right? That's probably what that one's for, so you can charge a third controller. But we got nice little lights there.
Stuff DIY or don't. Sunsetting slow, my job is done. Looking at my work, yeah, I'm the one. Pain in my hair, dust on my jeans. This is my world, built on my dreams.